New vehicle prices are expected to fall this year following a stretch of record prices. CTV's Kamal Karamali joins us live with the details. Thanks for joining us as always. So I guess for Canadians who are looking to buy a new car this year, the big question is, will they find some relief and deals at these dealerships?
Yeah, short answer to that, Jamie, is yes. A lot of people for years now have been putting off buying that new car because of a supply shortage, and all of those supply chain issues we saw during the pandemic resulted in a lack of supply of vehicles and higher prices. Well, now the 2024 Global Automotive Outlook by DBRS Morningstar, which is a credit rating company, says the prices for new vehicles is expected to drop this year back down to normal levels. Now, how bad were things in the past couple of years? Well, prices almost doubled between 2020 to 2023. The average price of a new car in September was more than $67,000, which was a 20% increase from that same time in 2022. And between 2020 to 2022, 1.3 million fewer cars were sold compared to before the pandemic. So just showing how much that industry suffered and how few new cars were sold during that period. Now set to go back to that expected level, maybe around $40,000 for a new car again. Before it was $67,000 this past September.
Well, let's talk about what we can expect in terms of pricing and trends, and also will there be, I guess, more interest in electric vehicles, for example, considering that's what the federal government is pushing for over the next decade?
Yeah, electric vehicles, Jamie, one of those commodities that didn't really slow down too much during that period. There has been a surge in popularity for electric vehicles. Now, actually, EVs are set to come a little bit closer back down to earth after a big growth in 2023, saying that this report saying that there is still some EV hesitancy with how far an EV can go before having to be recharged, as well as just overall hesitancy of switching to something new of that nature. But once again, we're hearing from this report that vehicle prices overall set to normalize this upcoming year. So looking forward to that. But one more point, Jamie, if you don't mind. High interest rates as well as high inflation really playing a factor in these purchasing trends. So not sure if people will jump right on board in purchasing these new vehicles just yet. They might hold off until they have some saved in the bank.
CTV's Kamal Karamali, we appreciate that report. Thank you.
You're welcome.